Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. In that we are studying topic Adventitious root modification for mechanical support. We all know that adventitious roots are nothing but fibrous roots. But do we know that they modify themselves to get support? Today we'll be studying about that. Adventitious roots are nothing but fibrous roots, roots which are difficult to count, roots which arise from any other part of the plant except that of radicle. Now, adventitious roots basically modify for mechanical support. When I say mechanical support, it means additional support. They modify in three different types for mechanical support. First one you can say is prop roots. Second type is stilt roots. And the third type is climbing roots. What are these prop roots? If you visit a temple, you would see a huge banyan tree. And from that huge banyan tree, there will be some roots hanging. And those roots are nothing but aerial roots that are hanging from the parts of the plant. They may be growing from the branches, from the lateral branches, and they will be going down to the soil. And then they adhere the soil in such a manner that they give the plant a support from all different sides. These are basically prop roots that grow obliquely down and support the plants. Example is your banyan tree. Next one, stilt roots. We all have seen sugarcane plant. Now sugarcane plant basically has division on its surface. Remember, whenever you have to divide a sugarcane, just break that sugarcane on that particular divisions. From the division part of the sugarcane, which is also known as stem base, there are some roots that come out. Those roots are thick, go obliquely down, and these roots just hold the soil in such a manner that a sugarcane plant which is thin and cylindrical can stand in any temperature or let the air or wind blow in any manner. The sugarcane plant will stand still. Now, just because these roots make the sugarcane plant stand still in a particular atmosphere, these roots are called as stilt roots, or just you can say standing roots which never move. The third type of roots, climbing roots. We all have planted money plant in a house, and what we notice in money plant is, or beetle plant for that matter, whenever you plant those plants, beetle or money plant in a house, those plants try to crawl the surface of your wall or your garden plant or all of those. So these plants, whether it is your money plant or your beetle plant, they basically crawl the surface of the surface. And when they crawl all those surfaces, whether it is your wall or whether it is your hanging, they are taking the support of those surfaces. And they are called as climbing roots, basically taking support from non-living things. Adventitious roots modification for mechanical support. Now, adventitious roots basically modify into prop roots, or you can say stilt roots. In English, prop are said an item, or you can say an object. Now, prop roots basically originate from the aerial branches of banyan tree. When I say aerial, this could be the small branches, or you can say the branches from which leaves arise. and these prop roots basically go vertically downward till they reach the soil surface and hold the soil surface firmly. An example is your banyan tree. The next kind of roots are stilt roots, or you can say standing roots at one place. Now, an example of stilt roots would be your sugarcane. They originate basically from the stem base, or you can say the division part of sugarcane, or the node part, and they grow obliquely down and penetrate in the soil. Climbing roots, the next kind of roots. Now, climbing roots example could be your beetle plant or your money plant. They originate basically from the node or the internode part. We all know about axillary node, apical node, or you can say apical bud or axillary bud. And these nodes, or you can say the climbing roots, basically help these plants to climb upwards towards the sun, or you can say phototropism. When I say phototropism, it means photo means light and tropism is nothing but movement towards sun. So basically climbing roots, they penetrate or they move towards sunlight for the process of photosynthesis by adhering to your ceilings or wall or anything, or just hanging around a tree. Students, in this part of the chapter, we have studied about the three different modifications and how these three different modifications work. I hope you all are clear about this concept. Thank you.